If you are a self-taught music producer, then YouTube is probably the best tool that you can use. But with so many channels out there, and most of them being not really good or trying to sell you something, it can be hard to find channels that provide you value consistently. So today I'll be recommending you my top 5 YouTube channels, and I will leave a link in the description with a video for each channel that I talk about. These videos were carefully selected for beginners, but I think that all kinds of producers can benefit from these videos. I'm Trapnest, and this video is part of my 28 Days Later music production course, where I teach you everything you need to know to become a full-time music producer. If you haven't seen the other videos in the course, then the link will be in the description. And without further ado, let's get started. The reason why this channel is an honorable mention is because I haven't really seen this channel that much, but they have been around for a long time. And in all this time, they have created a lot of content. I mean, a lot of content from all kinds of topics: sound design, mixing, mastering, production, workflow tips, videos about Ableton, FL Studio, Logic, Reason, and much more. Everything is really well organized into playlists on their channel. And if you need even more information, they actually have paid courses on their website. I haven't personally tried these courses, but with the quality and the effort that goes into their free content, I have no doubts that it will be really good. Plus, they give you an option to pay monthly subscription that is like $19, which is not that bad. And something I just found while making this video: they also create plugins, and they actually have a free plugin for managing your sample libraries that, my god, is such a game changer. I have to make a complete video about that. And the best thing is that this app is absolutely free, so go get it right now. This is another channel I haven't seen that much, honestly, but the quality and the value that I've got from each and every single video I've seen is good enough to make it to the top 5. Plus, his videos look really amazing, and that always makes it for a more pleasant learning experience. I would recommend his video about setting up a home studio. I already made a video talking about what gear to buy when you're getting started, but his video will give you more options, and honestly, it's 1,000 times better, so go check it out. He's a relatively new YouTuber, but he's been crushing it lately. I remember just 1 year ago he was at 5k subscribers, and now it's like 40,000. That's amazing. If you are someone that create hip-hop beats, then his information is gonna be really useful to you. And lately he's been hosting some live cookups, so if you want to see the whole process of creating a song happening live, then yeah, check him out. One of the biggest challenges for me as a music producer has been creating rhythms that doesn't sound stale or lifeless. This doesn't matter much when you are creating genres that use sequence drums, like for example techno music or hip-hop beats. But if you want to produce more natural sounding music, like let's say rock or R&B or indie, programming drums is gonna sound terrible. You could learn how to play drums, but drum set and the mics for the drums are really expensive and it's really noisy, so you probably won't be able to have a drum set at home. Well, finger drumming is the perfect solution for this, and Rolf from questforgroove.com is probably one of the best teachers I've ever had the pleasure to learn from. He has an introductory course that is available for free that will get you started thinking like an actual drummer, but if you want to take this skill even further, Then he has a Patreon subscription that is only $10 a month, and you will have access to all his content. I have a couple of posts on Instagram of me practicing the finger drumming, so if you want to check it out, link is in the description. This guy is incredibly creative. He can make music of literally anything. He did a cover of Seven Rings using only rings. He did a cover of Hotline Bling only using phones. And he even has a song using only water. These type of videos are not only really entertaining to watch, but it will help you understand a lot about sound design, and it shows you that the only thing that you need to create music is your creativity. This guy is my favorite YouTuber by far. He's completely changed the way I see and I think about music. He makes some of the best musical analysis I've ever seen. And what I find so fascinating about him is his ability to take concepts and just break them down to its most basic and minuscule idea. And this makes his videos really accessible. Really, anyone can understand his videos, even if you don't know anything about music. But he doesn't treat you like an idiot. His videos can be really complex. I mean, I've had to rewatch at least a couple of times and then do my own research and then put that knowledge into practice to be able to kind of assimilate his videos. I would say like maybe a 50%. I cannot recommend you this channel enough. He's been a huge inspiration for me and is probably the main reason why I wanted to start this YouTube channel. But his content is in Spanish. Now, there's a solution for this. You can activate captions on YouTube and you can actually translate it from Spanish to English. And the captions are pretty good actually. I was watching a couple videos with the captions and I would say it's like 95% accurate, which is more than enough to understand what he's talking about. So if you don't mind watching videos with subtitles, then check this guy. Seriously. Check him out. Okay, this will be all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want one more recommendation, then check my channel. My production course is almost done. Next week will be the final video. And after that, I'll keep uploading content. I'm uploading every Tuesday and Friday. And I have planned all sorts of videos to help you keep improving and learning more about music production. If you have any suggestions for YouTube channels, leave it down in the comments. And if you enjoy this content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram for more content like this. It may not seem like much, but trust me, that helps me a lot. I'll see you in the next one.